What is the determining viability of a sports injury claim? The attorneys at Feller and Wendt explain that there are presumptions to overcome in determining whether a legal claim is justified. A major presumption when it comes to sports competitions is that participants accept a certain amount of risk by engaging in the sports activity in the first place. If a player breaks an arm on the football field when being tackled, there is not generally cause for filing a legal claim against anyone involved. That is, unless there was intent by someone to break the arm or extreme negligence was a factor. This is because a certain amount of physical risk is expected as part of sports participation. Each player on the playing field makes the choice to go out there, accepting that risk. Where things start to change in the legal realm is when organized sports activities are being played. Unlike casual games between acquaintances and friends, an organized activity with administered rules and oversight of the gameplay may point to some liability of the administering organization when an injury occurs. Not every injury can be related back to the organization's fault, but the door is open to some justification for a legal claim when rules are followed and result in a player's injury. A good example of a potential legal claim is that of an injury occurring during participation in a flag football league's game. If league rules permit physical contact like blocking, and someone not following those rules suffers an injury, the league may be held accountable. This is because it is up to the league to create and enforce rules that protect participants from preventable harm. If harm is reasonably foreseeable and yet the league failed to adopt rules to mitigate risk of injury, the league may be liable. This mitigation of risk of injury is what has led to many flag football leagues banning wrestling or other actions that can seriously injure a pass rusher. For a free phone consultation, contact the attorneys at Feller and Wendt in Utah at 801-383-2189 or visit www.fellerwendt.com.